Motors family, this is the 1996 Subaru Sambar van. It has 43,888 original miles. It is 4x4 all-wheel drive. This van has a water-cooled Subaru non-interference 4-cylinder and automatic transmission as well. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right. As y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. 70,632, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 43,888. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all might have. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.